I was just saying it was an unbelievable delivery for a lawyer. I didn't expect it. I was in a family situation where my father-in-law was dying of cancer, and he asked me to help him out with his will. And what he wanted to do was put it into a trust because one of his siblings was in a medical situation where it needed to be managed. So it was kind of last minute, and I didn't know if we could do it. So I reached out to a lawyer friend who recommended Andy, and he was awesome. I mean, he called me up and I said, I don't know how much time we got. If we do it, we'd need to do it this week. And he said, okay, we'll see what we can do. So give me the information. And we set up a call, had my father-in-law on it while he was still in shape enough to communicate and be cognizant of what he was saying and what he was doing. And we got all through that. And it was in a few days. It was unbelievable. I just didn't expect, as I told my father-in-law at the time, I didn't think we could get it done that quick, but I would do my best to help him try. And he did it, and he was gracious all along the way. Whatever we needed, he did. It was just awesome. And his office was 3 or 4 hours away, and he said he'd prefer to have us come there, and I couldn't. So he literally sent another lawyer here, and the lawyer came up to the Cancer Institute in his room and went through the whole thing with him. And it was just, I was just saying it was an unbelievable delivery for a lawyer. I didn't expect it. He's the best. He just, he took care of everything. And like I said, no matter when I called him and, not doing this, I've never been an executor of a trust and never been through this. I mean, I had 100 questions, and he was always gracious and patient would be a good word with me, because I had some probably really dumb questions, but never once let on they were, and just took care of me and my father-in-law. If you want someone who's going to communicate with you, answer the phone when you call them and get it done. His trust was set up properly, and we've got all the papers and documents that he's given us to respond with, and I've been responding to a few, and there's been no glitches. So it works. So from my naive point of the law and dealing with the legal system in this situation, it made it easy for me. In fact, so much that my wife and I have decided that we will probably change our will to a trust, and we will have Andy do it. You'll be pleasantly surprised. And not that I've dealt with a lot of lawyers, but Andy is definitely personable, and he'll make the process easy for you.